Ever run into a situation in Acumatica where you need to, like, automate an email but not send it right away?
Oh, yeah, all the time.
So say a client needs a notification,
Mm-hmm.
like 21 days after a sales order's been marked complete.
Yep.
Acumatica doesn't just have that feature built in, though, right?
Right.
So for this deep dive, we're going to unpack a solution
Okay.
from Carmeline Mascarenhas.
Okay.
She's an associate principal consultant over at Tiana Solutions,
Mm-hmm.
and she's got like a quarter century of experience in the ERP space,
Wow.
working with Acumatica.
Yeah, that's a lot of time in the trenches.
So she's tackled hundreds of these unique scenarios
That.
and, figured out how to get things done.
Smart.
So let's see how she cracked the code on this time delay email thing.
Definitely. This is a good one.
Okay, so we've got this problem, right?
Yeah.
Client needs these automated emails,
Mm-hmm.
but they need them to go out specifically 21 days
Okay.
after that sales order is marked complete.
Right.
But out of the box,
Yeah.
Acumatica can't handle that.
No, it can't.
So what does she do?
Well, she built this whole system, right?
Okay.
And it uses a custom field
Okay.
to store when that sales order was completed.
Okay, so it like remembers that date.
Exactly.
Good.
And then she uses a business event to keep checking
Okay.
if 21 days have passed
Oh, that's cool.
since that date.
So like every day, it's checking.
Well, not necessarily every day.
Right.
It depends how you set it up, but yeah, it checks regularly.
So for our listeners out there,
Yeah.
remind us what those business events are.
Right. So a business event is basically this trigger
Uh-huh.
that can kick off a bunch of actions
Okay.
in Acumatica, right?
Like dominoes?
Kinda, yeah. So
Okay.
you could have one that like automatically sends an email when an
Mm.
invoice is generated.
Yeah.
Things like that.
Automating stuff?
Exactly.
So,
So in Carmeline's solution, right,
yeah.
the business event's always watching those sales orders for that complete status.
Okay.
But instead of firing off the email right then,
Right.
it uses that custom date field.
The one we talked about.
Yeah, to calculate if those 21 days have already passed.
Smart. So it's like a built-in
Yeah.
little alarm clock in Acumatica.
I like that. Yeah, the alarm clock.
Only when that 21-day alarm goes off, boom, that sends the
I
email.
got it.
Perfect timing.
And no one has to do anything.
Nice. Automated.
Yep.
So this is super cool, right?
It is.
It shows how knowing Acumatica really well
For sure.
and thinking outside the box
Definitely.
can solve almost anything.
Yeah, you don't always need these crazy complex solutions.
Right.
Sometimes a clever trick like this does the job.
Absolutely. So if you're listening out there
Uh-huh.
and run into a tough situation in Acumatica,
Mm-hmm.
don't be afraid to reach out to experts
Yep.
like the team over at Tiana Solutions.
They're good people.
They've got a ton of experience with these Acumatica customizations
Yeah, they can really help streamline your processes.
and save you a lot of headaches.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
And they can help boost your efficiency too.
Absolutely.
So give them a call at 678-910-2774
That's the number.
to see what they can do for your business.
You won't regret it.
This is just one example.
Out of hundreds.
Think of all the time and headaches
Oh, yeah.
they could save you
Exactly.
on your next Acumatica project.
Definitely give them a call.
All right, that's our deep dive for today.
Great episode.
We'll catch you next time.
See you